Hello guys, today we will cook fried peanut or sa Tagalog, pritong mani. Okay guys, ito yung ating mga ingredients. Dalawang ingredients lang natin pangatlo yung ating mantika. This is oil. Cooking oil, any kind of cooking oil, okay? Just a regular oil is okay. And number 1, we need garlic. This is the garlic. We use 4 para masarap at malasa ang ating mani. Ating peanut. This is our peanut. I bought 4 bags of peanuts. Kasi dito sa abroad, here in Canada, I cannot buy something like fresh like in the Philippines, right? So I use the one in a bag. We will use 4 bags of peanut. Okay? So now, we will start with our garlic. We need to just do the garlic like this. Okay. You just need to press the garlic. You just need to remove the outer skin of the garlic, because we can include all the skin in cooking so that the flavor it's good. Just remove all this one, the outer one, and then we will include in cooking. Okay guys, eto na. So, dalawang salang yung niluto ko. This is the second batch. So, as soon as you put it, the peanut, you can put also the garlic. Okay? Yan. This second one, the peanut is lighter than the other one. The other one is darker. So, you need to cook the garlic until it turns brown. And by that time, our peanut is already done cooking too. Okay? Okay guys, additional with our ingredients, we need salt, and this is MSG, or what do you call this, bechin, pero it's optional, okay? Optional for this one and this one. This is chili, crushed chili. I want my peanut spicy, okay? Guys, look. The garlic is turning brown, almost. I use 2 kinds of peanut. Guys, there's a lighter one and darker one. That's why. Guys, I know masasarapan kayo nito. Alam ko maraming kumakain nito, lalo na yung ating mga kaibigan dyan ng mga lalaki. Gustong gusto nila ang mani. Lalo na sa pulutan, di ba? Okay, let's keep cooking. And guys, ito luto na. Huh? See the difference? And our garlic is already brown. So that means our peanut is already cooked. Okay? We'll turn it off. Let's cook a little while the oil is still hot. Then okay. So done cooking, right? So we need to strain the oil. Okay guys, it's done. So we will wait and drain it, okay? Let's sit and drain the oil. Okay guys? Okay guys, ito na yung ating mga niluto. Ito yung una natin na niluto. Dark kind of peanut. And then the other second one is this one. It's lighter. And now we will mix. We will add salt. Okay guys? Let's put more. Okay. That's around 1 teaspoon of salt. We mix together. And then you can add, I will add a little bit of betting. We call it Ajinomoto or the one with MSG. Just tiny one. Okay? Okay, that's it. And now I will add 2 tablespoons of crushed roasted pepper. Okay? If you want more spicy, you can add more. If you don't want to put any spices, it's okay too because it's optional. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like my peanut. This is gonna be yummy yummy. See? Masarap ito sa pulutan. Right guys? Okay. Now we will put in here. Okay, so this is my version how to cook fried peanut. Okay guys, there. And then we will put, this is the one I slice. This is a garlic. Let's put on top. See? Now it look yummy. It's good for pulutan. Right? Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell down below para ma-notify kayo sa susunod kong video. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now.